Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide Instagram chats without deleting messages. So if you have lots of messages in the chat and you want to make it private, that someone cannot be able to see if they have access to your Instagram account. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to make sure that your account will be professional. So don't worry about it. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna tell you how you can make your account professional. So you have to simply click on the below right corner of your profile. So after tapping on your profile, now you have to just simply click on the top right corner of 3 horizontal lines and then click on simply setting will be opened. So here you have to simply scroll down until you will be able to find the account. So you have to just simply go to creator tools and controls, and here you have to simply click on switch to account types, and here you have to simply click on I have already a professional account, so I'm not able to do. So you have to just simply click on switch to professional profile. That will be displayed on your profile. So you have to simply make your account professional by just tapping on settings, which I have tell you. So after tapping on your professional profile, you have to just simply go back and open up your messenger, and in the messages section you have to just simply long press on the chat which you want to hide, so without deleting. So you have to just simply long press on that chat and click on move to general. So I'm just clicking on move to general. Then this chat will be automatically moved to the general section of your profile. You guys can see there is a general, and here is the profile, here is the messages. You guys can see the message chat is in secured. Without deleting them, you guys can hide the messages. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.